Buying a car can be pretty intimidating, especially when it comes to credit. If you want to know more about credit and car loans, stick around for the next minute or so, as this video will help. Most consumers believe paying with cash will help negotiate a better price. That is not always the case. Often a car dealer receives incentives from the finance company who purchases your loan. Paying cash means you won't pay interest, but it may limit the price of vehicle you can afford. Also, you may want to retain your cash to cover maintenance costs or unexpected expenses that may arise. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope it helped give you a better understanding about credit. If there's anything that we can do to help you regarding car loans, do not hesitate to reach out. We'd love to have the opportunity to try to help you understand your credit and the car buying process.